A young man, tired from the day, sits quietly in the subway. Around him, people are buried in their phones, avoiding eye contact. The train moves fast, just like life itself. The young man feels invisible. Suddenly, a small piece of paper slips from an old woman's bag and falls to the floor. No one notices. The young man bends down and picks it up. In shaky handwriting, only 3 words are written: "Believe in yourself." The young man stares at the note for a long time. The words touch his heart. He remembers the decision he has been delaying, applying for the job of his dreams. But his fears always held him back. As he squeezes the note in his hand, his eyes fill with tears. It feels as if someone whispered to him at the exact moment he needed it. When the train reaches the next station, the young man takes a deep breath. He pulls out his phone and opens the application form he had been too afraid to complete. With trembling fingers, he fills it in. As he presses send, a small smile appears on his face. As he steps off the train and blends into the crowd, he feels the note safely tucked in his pocket. His life has already begun to change. Perhaps the note was meant for someone else, but that day it saved his life.